If you own a business in Fresno or Clovis, California, or anywhere in the Central Valley, you understand the potential and the opportunities that there are to build and to grow your business. And maybe you're having a hard time to grow as a business, and you maybe have bigger goals and big dreams to get a huge business or a bigger business than what you have, but you can't accomplish this goal for some reason. I know, I understand your pain. Maybe you're looking for more customers, but you haven't accomplished this. Maybe you tried some radio advertising, maybe you tried some newspaper advertising, but you realize that that doesn't work anymore. Then maybe you listen to some guru telling you that you need to be on social media, you need to be on YouTube, you need to be on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google+, Pinterest, blah, blah, blah. Stop it. That's way too much time, that's way too much work, and you realize that. How are you gonna be able to do all this social media and advertising stuff if you have a job and a business to do and to grow? That's not that easy. There's majors, there's education, there's everything related to marketing. You need to be an expert on marketing. I've been doing marketing for 8+ years, for over 8 years, and I understand what it is to be a business owner too. I understand what it is to be there and hit a plateau and being able to recognize that and say, okay, I want more customers, I want to grow fast, and then not being able to do it as fast as you like. So then you go for solutions. Where is it? Where is the answer? You want to find the answer, and you go everywhere, you try to find the answer. People are telling you do this, do that, do this, and it's like overwhelming, you don't know what to do. And I understand this. So that's why I want to introduce you to my digital marketing team, where we can provide such amazing results. And after 8 years of doing this and trial and error, and after 8 years of working with customers and advertising and promoting all kinds of products all over the place, I tapped with the solution. I have a solution for you. And me and my team have been able to accomplish great results for local businesses just like yours, for restaurants, chiropractors, dentists, real estate agents, real estate brokerages, and I can promise you that I will get you results just like this. I'm going to show you a presentation right now out of all the results that we've been able to accomplish, and I'm going to show you some of the ins and outs and some strategies that are going to be working for your business. This is going to work for you, so I'm going to show you on the computer how to do this right now. And this is how we're gonna get you more clients, how we're gonna grow your business. And it doesn't matter if you have a chiropractic practice, if you're a dentist, if you're a real estate agent, if you have a restaurant, if you have a plumbing business, it doesn't matter. This is how we're gonna help you grow your business and save you time, money, and headaches with social media marketing and advertising, with local SEO or local search engine optimization and Google Ads, which are known as Google AdWords, video production, professional video production like the video that you're watching right now, and website development, high quality website development. Now let's start with social media, which is what I have the most experience with, and these are some of my favorite features of social media. Why I love social media so much is because you can target so precisely, like geographically, as you can see here. This is from Facebook interface, but with YouTube you can do the same, and this is exact same thing for Instagram. So you can target by the zip code, by address. We can target the surrounding of your office or your restaurant or your practice, wherever you are, the entire city like Los Angeles, San Francisco, or Fresno, or Clovis, or Madera, wherever you are, we can target it. And also we can target by the age, by gender, by language, and also detailed targeting by the interest. So if you have a sushi restaurant, for example, we can target people that love sushi food. If you have a yoga studio, we can target people that love yoga. If you have a fitness center, we can target people that love fitness. And also we can target by the income also here. So we can target the people that have the most amount of money, or the people that have the right amount of budget and the right amount of money for your particular services. This is very powerful. That works on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And this is how we do it. The strategy for social media is that you need to have an attractive offer, so that works as a lead magnet. So when you offer this offer, people are gonna exchange their information for that offer. So this needs to be very attractive, like a coupon, like a huge discount, like a huge package deal, or like a 20% off for my for a particular dish. If you have a restaurant, 20% off. If you have whatever business you have, 20% off, half off, buy one get one get two. You know what I mean. And then here are the biggest social networks that we like to focus on. I like to focus on where you're gonna get the most amount of traffic, which is Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. This is the biggest places in the world right now, and this is some of the results that you can expect when you work with us. This is done with social media advertising and social media promotion like we can do for your business. Here we got around 531 leads, and many of them have phone numbers. We didn't make it mandatory, but many people put their phone numbers, and this is for a weight loss clinic, okay? And everybody put their email address, their name, and some people would put their phone numbers as well. 531 in just a few months, in like 3 months, I believe it was, for a weight loss center in California as well. This is Rocket Dog, a restaurant in Fresno, California. I created a video like this showing around the restaurant a little bit, and we made it go viral, and it got thousands and thousands of views and hundreds of likes and tens of shares and tons of comments really quickly in a matter of days. These stats are just a few days after the publication. And then we increased the list also. So this restaurant, as I was showing you earlier, we offer a 10% off and also our weekly gift card giveaway. And we had hundreds, almost 1,000 or 900 email subscribers where we can follow up with the customers, so we keep promoting them specials and special meals, new meals, vacations, holidays, and all this. We can do it all together and promote it to hundreds and hundreds of people, and we can do the same thing for your business. And this is a real estate advertisement, for example. For real estate too, I work with many real estate professionals and real estate agents, real estate brokerages and offices, and this is an example of a $9 qualified seller leads that got every single time. This advertising, you can copy the ad if you want and apply it to your own business, but this is what you can accomplish with Facebook advertising and Instagram advertising. $9 qualified seller leads every time, with an average home value of $200,000, an average home profit of $5,000 in this particular case, and then many of them double the profit because many of these home sellers are also buyers. If you're a real estate agent, you understand the power of getting home seller leads, and this is really cheap if you're familiar with real estate. Another huge success for a real estate agent in Santa Maria in California, 40 home buyer leads in just 6 days with just this simple landing page and promoted on social media, and then directing this traffic to their page where they get the contact information, and then he sends them homes like this that are under $372,000 in Santa Maria. Powerful. Now also chiropractic leads. I work with chiropractors. This is a very successful Facebook campaign that you can just copy to and do it, or just let us do it. Just let us do it for you. A crazy offer right here for just £21 in this case. This was in England, but this works anywhere in California, in Fresno, in Clovis, anywhere. And you can get $4 chiropractic leads if you work with us, 51 leads for just $200 spent, 14 booked appointments, $378 instant ROI from this particular advertising. And this is not counting continued care. So, and then this is another a successful campaign for this dentist, and this ad ran for 1 month and it generated 34 leads for $190 spent, which is $5.59 per lead, and it got 17 new patients for this particular dentist with a lifetime value of between $4,000 to $8,000 per each client or patient. If you're a dentist, you understand the value of your patients, and can you imagine getting 17 new patients in just 1 month for this cheap? This is incredible, and we can take and generate results like this, like you see right here. And also YouTube. I love YouTube because you do keyword research. We can do keyword research. You can do keyword research also manually. You can just start typing whatever you like. Here on YouTube search bar, you can just start typing how to see what people are looking for. But if you're a restaurant, for example, you can start typing restaurant in Fresno or restaurant in Clovis, California, wherever you are. If you are in Los Angeles, same thing. If you're a restaurant in Los Angeles, sushi restaurant, you get it. I'll just put the name of the city where you're at, and it will show you what people are searching for. And this is what people are typing exactly on Facebook. So this is very powerful, and you can do this very easily for free. You can just go to YouTube and start typing things, and it will suggest, I will show you the suggestions of related keywords to that particular word that you're typing. And that's what people are typing and searching on YouTube specifically and actively. And then you can create videos for the particular keyword, put that keyword on the title, on the description, and the tags, and then promote it all over the place. And you can also use Uber Suggest to automate this, and keywordtool.io, which is another keyword tool I love to use. Keywordtool.io, it automates it. It shows you more unique keywords and faster, and it shows you everything in there really fast. Now with local SEO and Google Ads, this is what we can do for you. For this particular business, this is what my team has been able to accomplish. My team was working with this particular business, and you see the growth of the traffic for this particular business. It was a huge growth in just 6 months. It was a 300% increase in traffic. And you see here some of the positions. This picture was taken a while ago, so it will the positions might increase or decrease, but this is the results that my team got for this particular business. And some examples that we did to improve the rankings for this business is just restructuring the website. For example, it's like this website, this business had some mistakes on the way they were structuring their website, and they wanted to rank for Colorado and Arkansas river and whitewater rafting keywords. So my team had to restructure the website, and it made it look like this. Whitewater rafting made it as a main page, and then within that page you could find Colorado River and Arkansas River, which it helped increase rankings tremendously. And also we can offer video production. We can offer video production, like the video that you're watching right here. Whatever video that you like, send it over to us, and we can make it look even better. And there's also website development that we can do to grow your business and to profit and to build your brand and to make you a celebrity on your local market. And these are some examples of websites that we can create. So you've seen the results, you've seen what we've been able to do, you've seen some of the strategies, and if you know that we can get you results, save you time and money, and we can help you get a predictable, growing business, then I want to offer you a free strategy call and a free audit where I'm going to be just there on the phone with you and answer any questions that you may have. So you can just put your information below, or you can just call me or text me directly, or you can email me directly. Whatever way you like, I'll be there for you, and you can ask me any questions, and then I can plan out a strategy for your business so you can grow as fast as possible. But I want to offer you as a free gift. I love Fresno, and I want to give this free gift for you to enjoy. And I want to see Fresno grow. I've been here for over 10 years, and I want to see this town grow as much as possible. I love when it grows and I see new businesses. Please just contact me below. I want to see you succeed. Just contact me, put your information below, I will contact you, and let's have a chat. Speak to you soon.